Okay, today we're going to do solve one-step inequalities by adding or subtracting. You follow the same exact rules as if these were equations, okay? So we look at the side with the variable, and we look at the constant. 7 is the constant, and it's being subtracted. So we do the opposite, and we add 7 to both sides. Our 7's cancel, our n comes straight down. 15 plus 7 is 22. So n is less than or equal to 22. Because it's less than or equal to, it's a closed dot over 22. And the arrow points to the left, or inequality points to the left, so our arrow is going to point to the left. So we're going to draw a closed circle at 22 and then shade to the line to the left of 22. Solve. Check each answer. Side with the variable. Circle your constant. 11 is being added. The opposite of adding 11 is subtracting 11. Our 11s are opposites and cancels. Our d comes straight down. We have 6 minus 11, so we take the absolute value of each, 11 minus 6, and we get 5. 11 is the greater absolute value, and there's a negative sign in front of it, so it is negative 5. How we check is we have to read our answer. D is greater than negative 5, and we have to choose a number for D that is greater than negative 5. They chose 0. 0 is greater than negative 5. Okay? And we put in 0 here. 0 plus 11 is 11. So 0 is greater than negative 5. Because 11 is greater than 6, that means the right answer. It can literally be any number greater than negative 5. It could be negative 4. Negative 4 plus 11 is 7, and 7 is greater than 6. So you read your answer, and you use a number that makes that statement true. 0 is greater than negative 5, so that's what I'm substituting with. Edgar's August profit was $137, was at least $20 higher than his July profit. What was his August profit? So, his August profit was $137. It tells us right here. Was at least means it could be greater than or it could be equal to his July profit. $20 higher than July's profit. We are looking for July's profit, so we substitute that with a variable. So the side with the variable, look at the constant. The constant is being added, so the opposite of adding 20 is subtracting 20 from both sides. Our constants cancel, and we bring our p down. 137 minus 20 is 117. So p is less than or equal to 117. So Edgar's profit in July was at most $117. Go through and do your check it out and see what you can come up with.